Quran is the book of Islam and is of great significance to a Muslim. The Quran is filled with details and hidden truths which become more understandable as we learn more about the world. The Quran is a very special book, containing a number of deep meanings and messages for everyone to acknowledge. A better way for understanding this is to think about Shakespeare and his relation to playwriting. Anyone could read these books and will have a general idea of what's in them, but without having a deep interpretation of it, a person will miss key points and fail to understand critical points and interpretations within. There are many important Islamic scholars who are doctors, philosophers, engineers, and scientists. They studied science and Islam with the influence of the Quran. The important time frame was called the Islamic Golden Age. The Islamic Golden Age was a historic time of enhancing scientific, cultural, and economic thriving from the 8th century to the 13th century. During the Islamic Golden Age, Persian, Arab, and other scholars from different countries were able to build on the information they translated from the Greeks and the Abbasid dynasty, forging new advancements in numerous fields. Ibn al-Haytham invented the first camera and was able to form an explanation of how the eye works. Doctor and philosopher Avicenna wrote the Canon of Medicine, which helped physicians diagnose harmful diseases such as cancer. Canon of Medicine was used as a standard medical textbook in Europe until the 18th century. By the age of 16, Avicenna, also known as Ibn Sina, began studying medicine and became a physician by the age of 18. He enjoyed studying and understanding medicine and believed that it was simpler to comprehend when compared to other fields of study such as mathematics. Al-Khwarizmi, a Persian mathematician, invented algebra, a word which itself has Arabic roots.